Hidden toxins in your lymphatic system are leaving you bloated and drained, while sleepless nights steal your glow. It's a daily drag you don't deserve. But what if an ancient bounce and a simple tea could flush it all away? Stick around, because we're revealing secrets to revitalize your body. Welcome to Dr. Ayurveda. We share effective, time-tested Ayurvedic remedies daily to help you live a healthier, happier life. Take a quick second to subscribe. It motivates us to keep creating this content just for you. Now, let's dive back into the remedy secrets. How does jumping on a mini trampoline fight swelling? It's a game changer for your health. In Ayurveda, the lymphatic system relates to Kapha dosha. Stagnation here causes swelling, weakens immunity, and leaves you feeling heavy and stuck. But if one isn't available, try dry brushing toward the heart with a natural bristle brush. Rebounding stimulates this flow and clears blockages throughout your entire system, revitalizing your energy from the inside out. Focus on deep diaphragmatic breathing to stimulate internal flow. Modern studies confirm that gentle bouncing enhances lymph drainage, reducing inflammation and boosting your vital immune cells. It's science meeting tradition. Or try manual lymphatic drainage massage to help clear those blockages. For evening, valerian root, also known as sugandhabala, is a natural sedative that increases GABA levels. This is crucial for turning off mental chatter for deep sleep. Fluid yoga poses and stretching are also incredibly effective for lymph health. But here's the thrill. What if adding deep breathing turns this into a full-body reset? Our bold models swear by it. Even simple jumping jacks or jogging in place keep that lymph circulating. Choose what works for you. Start your morning right after waking. Bounce gently on a mini trampoline for 15 minutes. This simple movement kickstarts your metabolism. Combine it with deep breathing to maximize lymph flow and reduce swelling. Water immediately after helps transport those flushed toxins out of your body. For evening, steep 1 teaspoon of sugandhabala in hot water for 10 minutes. This extracts the full sedative benefits for a restful night. Sip it slowly 30 minutes before bed. Imagine waking up refreshed every day. This simple swap can truly transform your entire routine. Apply this daily. Morning for energy, evening for deep rest. Consistency is the ultimate secret to these long-term Ayurvedic wins. Commit for just 7 days. You'll notice improved immunity in 3 to 5 days. And by day 7, deeper sleep and zero fatigue. Our models did it. Reclaim your energy today. Comment. Day 6. Reset. If you're in, save this for tomorrow and follow for more. You've got this. Day 7 brings even bigger secrets. Like this, if you're excited to level up. See you in the next video for the final reveal. Remember, everybody is different. If any remedy causes discomfort, stop immediately and consult a professional. Stay safe.